ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልን የተወደዳችሁ ተመልካቾቻችን፣ ይህ የዜና ሰዓታችን ነው። ዜና እናሰማለን። በዛሬው ዕለት ዓለም አቀፋዊና ዝነኛው ተጽዕኖ ፈጣሪ ቲክቶከር ክሪስ አዲስ አበባ ገባ። ይህ ዝነኛና ተጽዕኖ ፈጣሪ ቲክቶከር ቦሌ አውሮፕላን ማረፊያ ሲደርስ ኢትዮጵያውያኖቹ ዝነኞቹ ቲክቶከሮች በላይና ሞላ ቦታው ድረስ በመገኘት ደማቅ አቀባበል አድርገውለታል። በዚህም ዕለት በላይና ሞላ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ የሚገኙ የተለያዩ የቱሪስት መስህቦችንም እንደሚያስጎበኙት ተገልጿል። ወደ ዝርዝሩ እንገባለን።
ታቋለ እንዴ ሰውዬው
እንዴ ምን ሆነ ነው? መደብ ነው እንጂ ማቀው ተጻጽፈናል፣ አውርተናል። አሁን ዛሬ ነው የምገባው ምናምን ስላለኝ ነው።
አምስት ትልልቅ ችግሮች አሉብኝ። እሱ ነገር ነው ዶላር ቢሰጠኝ
ችግር አንታሳ አገር ላይ ገና እንደገቡ ችግር እያወራችሁ በጣም ያስቸግራችሁ። ችግር አታወሩ። ይኸውልህ አሁን ልብስ ይጀልታል። ይሄን ጊፍት እንሰጠዋለን። በስ አዎ ጊፍት እንሰጠዋለን። እሱ
ዶላር ይሰጠናል ማለት ነው።
ለምን ሀገር ታስጎበኛለህ? ዞር ዞር ያልን ያንዳንዱ ግሪን ነው ሁሉ ነገር ባም this is you are Chris. Welcome to Addis. Welcome, my brother. Welcome.
Beautiful country.
Yes.
Get
yeah. This.
Let's Ethiopian Habasha lips.
Beautiful. Yes. Cultural. Yes. Cultural.
Okay. Thank you guys.
This is Ethiopian culture.
Habasha lips.
Beautiful.
Habasha lips.
Okay. Welcome.
Amazing guys.
African home in Addis.
Much. I'm so excited to visit Addis.
Yes, I'm brother in Ethiopian, all of them.
Thank you so much.
This
ችግር ልንገረው እንደተቸገርኩ ልንገረው።
የኔ ችግር ካንተ አይበልጥም። ግን በዚህ ሰዓት አይደለም።
There is all of people me ችግር
no problem. Problem is this. Happy is this. You happy በመምጣት ደስተኛ ሆኖ ነው።
So you're so ugly when you cry.
ችግር ከኛ ችግር አይበልጥም። ያለውን እንተጋገዛለን እያለ ነው። No. This is Ethiopian green city. The Bole round city. Ethiopian is beautiful city. Yeah. እንግዲህ ከክሪስ ጋር እንደምታዩት This is Qabana. Yeah.
It's called Qabana. What's Qabana?
Qabana is
Bishan
Qabana. Yes. Qabana.
It's a song.
Yeah.
They call it that. It's a song.
Yes.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Lake in the middle of Addis Ababa.
Yeah.
They call it Qabana.
Yeah. Qabana before Qabana is this before dirty.
Yes.
Dirty water.
Okay.
This come from this drink the water clean. Understand?
Dirty water.
Yeah.
But now it's fresh water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This is dam.
Wow. What was the cause to be dirty before this lake? The people are all is. Seems like I'm in the middle of the road.
ያስጎበኘሁት ነው። ደውላለሁ። ጨርሼ ደውላለሁ። ያስጎበኘሁት ነው።
Beautiful guy.
መጥቷል አዲስ አበባ መጥቷል። አዲስ አበባ ገብቷል።
You look.
This is 4 kilo plaza.
No. 4 kilograms. This is 4 kilograms.
No.
What do you mean? It means measurements?
No. This is 4 minutes
Ago.
Yeah.
4 minutes ago.
No.
That this building before 4 minutes ago?
No. This is 4 kilo is the plaza in area. This is ፈቀቅ 5 ኪሎ and ትንሽ ወክ 6 ኪሎ. Yeah. This is step by step ከፍ.
I know.
Yeah.
I heard that the 4 kilo palace around there
Yeah.
was established by King Haile Selassie. ስላሴ እንሳለም እያለ ነው?
No. ኃይለ ስላሴ ነው። ስላሴ ትላለህ እንዴ? ኃይለ ስላሴ the palace is ትንሽ ዝቅ ወክ.
This is round.
This is round.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Guys, look, guys.
Look at this. And this water.
This is a fountain.
This is a fountain. Yeah. And this night.
This is 4 Kilo Plaza.
And that is ድንጋይ እንደ ጥርብ ድንጋይ ክምር ክምር
Yeah.
This guy is so crazy.
You're funny boy.
He's funny.
This is night is a colorful light. This city. ብድ ነው የሚለው this is lion.
I see the
Look at
lion.
that. By the way, Ethiopian never colonized country.
Oh, I know that.
Yes.
I know that.
In Africa, the one country.
The only country never colonized by the European powers is Ethiopia.
30 months of China.
Yeah, you mean that 30 months
Yes,
of
yes,
sun?
yes.
Guys, it's amazing. 30 months always a sun.
Shine,
There
yeah.
is no cloud.
Yes, because no, coffee. So this Ethiopian originality coffee.
I know.
In home, the people is ደቅ ብለው ሁሉም ጋር
The Ethiopian coffee is beautiful and much.
Yes.
And my grandfather
Okay.
general was የጣሊያንን አንገት
Yes.
ጣሊያን is
Yes.
ጭንቀቲንግ
The Italy.
ጭንቀቲንግ
Yes, yes.
We are so beautiful.
Yeah, Chris.
Yes.
This is Addis Ababa University.
Okay.
The Ethiopian, the first university. Yeah.
Oh, guys, we've got the first Ethiopian university
Yeah.
called Sakaba University. It's this kilo.
Yeah.
So you guys, did you learn here?
No.
Me?
I'm a TikToker.
I'm
Yes.
TikToker.
Yes.
We are not get this.
This.
You mean that?
This.
This is so crazy, guys.
Yeah.
Once TikToker says we are not, we
Yes,
didn't
yes.
learn here.
Yes.
Okay.
This. This shortcut is
Beautiful. It's so beautiful.
This big.
Chris. That is black road. This is ቀይ road. Bicycle.
Yes.
No. I think you missed that. You know that one is the asphalt, this one the track.
Yes.
ታዲያ እንደዛ አትልም እንደ ካወቅክ ምን
Why are you so mad? Why are you so mad? Why are you so angry?
ወይኔ አወቀብኝ አማንግሪ
Yo guys, I'm still in Ethiopia. They bring me some snacks. They call it what's it called?
ዚስ እንጀራ ዚስ ሽሮ አጠቃላይ እንጀራ ቦት
Injera boat. They call it injera boat. It looks like a pancake. It's interesting, but
ዶሮና ክትፎ ተወደደ እንዳናሳይ ኬት ይምጣ ውዲንግ ዶሮ እንደ ክትፎ ውዲንግ
Zamani is hyper.
I think they are saying that the money is helping means that they cannot afford
Not-
another food. I mean,
ምግብ this is ምግብ በቃ
why is so mad? Why is so mad? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? This guy is so hungry, guys. Look at him. Looks like Eddie Murphy when he was a child. Oh hi. So let me try it. Let me try it. Like this.
ጉርስ ጉርስ
Yeah.
ጉርስ
I know Gursha.
Yeah.
The Simpsons. Yeah.
ጉዳም ነገር ነው እንዴ አንተ ጉርሻ ነው
Listen, it's good. By the way, guys, we have just Ethiopian beautiful girls. Ethiopian beautiful ladies, you know what I mean?
Come on, girl. Yes.
I'm about to meet a beautiful lady in Ethiopia. I'm eating Ethiopian food.
Yes.
Guys, look what I found.
በእናትህ ወደዛ ምንድን ነው የሚቀርጸኝ? በፊት ምናምን ሊሸቅል ነው።
ታዋቂ ዩቲዩበር ነው በእናትሽ። የአገር ሊጎበኝ ነው የመጣው።
I don't know why
አንቺ
she's so
እንደምን
mad.
ሆነሻል እንዴ ዶላር አለው እኮ
ዶላር አለው።
We're talking about dollar.
ታዲያ ምንድን ነው ሲያየኝ ነው ግብግብ ብሎ እንደዚህ እንትን የሚለው?
ውበትሽ ነው
So beautiful. Good to see you, lady.
ሰላም በይው፣ ሰላም
እና ካሜራው ወደ ጻርግ በላ
It's selfie. It's turning on in my face.
ና አልፈልግም
You like it,
መሰለፍልሽ ወይ እያለ እኮ
I'm in love with her.
my love is her. አንቺን ወድሻል። Yes. I love you.
Told her. Yeah, tell her. What's your name?
ምንድን ነው
ስምሽ
የሚለኝ?
ማን ነው?
ምን አገባ በለው ምን አገባ ብለሃለች
she said ምን አገባ
Her name is, guys, I found a beautiful woman in Ethiopia. Her name is Menagepa. Menagepa, say.
Yeah, no,
She's
no.
covered her face. She's so shy.
No, this is her name is Banchi.
Her name is Banchi.
Banchi,
So
yeah.
Menagepa is her nickname?
Father.
Her father name is
Yes.
Dollar allo. ትበይዋለሽ እንዴ? አንቺ ሞኝ ነሽ እንዴ?
ማሄ ጅፊት
What did you say? What did you say?
This is Jifit. Your face is you just like hyena.
Oh, guys, she roasted me. She roasted me as a fried chicken. She called me hyena face. Oh, let me tell you something, lady. I'm hyena for you. I'm going to eat you.
Yes.
Oh,
ማለት እየሰደበኝ ነው ነው
እያለሽ ነው እበላሻለሁ እያለሽ ነው ቴለር ዛት አሚን ላቭ ዩዝ ሄር
ይኸውልሽ በጣም ወዶሻል በጣም ነው ያፈቀረሽ ተረጂኝ እያለሽ
አልረዳው
What did you say?
ይኸውልህ ስማኝ እናንተ ማሽቃበጥ ትችላላችሁ ፌመስ ነው ምንድነው እንትን ነው ነጭ ነው እኔ አያገባኝም ይኸውልህ የማይለመድ ፊት ነው ያለ
What did you say?
Tell me something.
She is home. You are home, not animal. What? Animal. She calls me animal?
No.
Why she sounds so lady? I'm in love with
This
you.
is heart. This cut እንዲሆንላት dollars give dollar.
Give her dollars.
አልፈልግም የምን ዶላር ነው አላልኩም
Guys, she's so mad. Why is she so mad? Are you translating the wrong thing?
No, አገሬ 4 ሚስቶች አሉኝ እና እነሱን ፈትቼ አንቺን ላገባና ካንቺ ጋር
እንጦሮጦስ ገባ በለው እንጦሮጦስ ገደል ታውቃለህ እንጦሮጦስ ታውቃለህ እንጦሮጦስ ከነ ሚስቶቹ አብረህ ገባሽ
እንዴ ምን ሆነሻል? እንጦሮጦስ እንዴት ነው የሚገባው? እንዴ ምን ሆነሻል?
እንጦሮጦስ ይከብድሃል ገደል ግባ በለው
ዛሬ woman is fire.
Fire! She's burning? እንጦሮጦሲንግ go hell.
Yes.
Hell.
Yeah.
Did she say go hell? Go hell.
ወይ አዝናና ልቡን ያዘው ወይ እንዳልጨምርልህ
አንቺ ቆመ እንዴ ምን ሆነሻል?
በእናንተ ፊት
ቆመ
በእናንተ ፊት ሊመታኝ ነው
ኧረ አይደለም እንዴ አንቺ ቆመ ፍቅርሽ እኮ ነው ወንድ ልጅ አምላክ ወንድ ልጅ አምላክ እንዴ ሰንተ እንለወጣለን መቤቴ እንዴ ይው ፈረንጅ እንዴ እና ይሞታል።
እስከ መጨረሻው ድረስ ከኛ ጋር ስለነበራችሁ እናመሰግናለን። የምናዘጋጃቸውን አዝናኝ ቪዲዮዎች ማየት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚች ጋር ጠቅ ያድርጉ። ሰብስክራይብ የሚለውን ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ጠቅ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። በቀጣይ ቪዲዮ እንገናኝ።